Hello friends, we are back with question number 16. So today we will be going to discuss a very important question, which is question number 16. It's a quite important question and having a detail about technical aspect of the one of the important law. So it's saying that consider the following statement. Statement 1 is saying object at higher temperature emit higher amount of electromagnetic radiations. Right? That is for sure because you see by Stephen Boltzmann law, right? So before we explain this, we will come to the explanation of Stephen Boltzmann law so that everyone should understand it well. So let's study Stephen Boltzmann law, which is one of the important radiation law in physics. So all of you know that according to Stephen Boltzmann's law formula, the Stephen Boltzmann's law describes the power radiated by a body, right? Or you say that the energy, because power is nothing, it is energy per unit time. So body that absorbs all the radiation and falls on the body when this temperature. So basically it should be a black body. So radiation energy per unit time from a black body is proportional to the fourth power its absolute temperature and can be expressed as Stephen Boltzmann's law, right, which says that radiate energy is equal to emissivity into Stephen Boltzmann's constant, which is sigma. T is the temperature and A is the area. The Stephen Boltzmann constant is sigma, right? We will talk about this in detail. So if you see further, so we have this formula and the following terms here. The equation is P is equal to epsilon sigma T power 4A, where P is the radiant energy, sigma is the Stephen Boltzmann's constant, A is the area of temperature, T is the temperature in Kelvin of the black body, right? So these are the terms. Now you can see that when we talk about here, so from this formula, if you talk about, so you can see here that P, which is the radiant energy, is directly proportional to temperature, means T power 4. So higher the temperature, higher is the energy. This is understood. So energy directly proportional to T power 4, we can say from here. So higher energy means higher temperature, or if you have like more temperature means more energy is there. Then if you see the next graph which we have with us, so you can see here the one side we have the spectral energy, another side we have the wavelength, right? So if you see that it is having maximum emissivity at lower wavelength, right? So it is not like the peak wavelength, the total radiations you can see here by Stephen Boltzmann law and Wien's law. So then the second law which says that if you see, if I will say that we have an equation like this, which is Planck's law, you say that energy is equal to hc by lambda. So ultimately energy is inversely proportional to wavelength, means more the energy, lesser is the wavelength. So now we will have to correlate them, or in terms of emissivity, we can also correlate them. Now we are going back to our question. Now we can do it well because the object at higher temperature emit higher amount of electromagnetic radiation. So it is quite absolutely true, more energy. So you say that power is equal to epsilon sigma T power 4A. So it is directly correlated to temperature as we have said. So higher temperature emit higher amount of electromagnetic radiation. So this is true, this is correct. Then let's come to the second statement. Object with higher temperature reach the maximum emissive intensity at longer wavelength. So here is the emissivity, here is the energy, right? So both of them are almost proportional, right? But energy is directly inversely proportional to wavelength. So we can say emissivity is also related like this, inversely proportional to wavelength. So maximum emissivity, emissive intensity, right? It should be at shorter wavelength, right? So object, if it is having higher temperature, right? So they will reach their maximum emissive intensity at shorter wavelength rather than longer. So it should be shorter. So that's why this statement is wrong. So only one statement is correct, which is first one. So option second is the correct answer for this. Hope you enjoy this question. It's a very good question. Again, they could ask something on that, and our team is trying our level best to help the environmental science community. Hope you are enjoying these solutions. Keep studying, keep working hard, keep learning the subject day by day. Thank you very much.